simple. I used to think I really cared. I used to think love was heavenly, but my thoughts were so impaired. It softly bled the color from broken marble sky. Life knows no more sadness than when a vision dies. So suddenly and so ruthlessly I came to feel life hardly more than a game. Was sacred. I used to think sex was oh so good. I used to think my sheets were clean till you stained them with your virgin's blood. And slowly I grew distant from this cold and empty world, drifting over oceans though my sails remained unfurled. So easily and so ruthlessly I found a battered soul no longer made a sound. I used to think life had purpose. I could pretend. I used to think I'd find the answer, but death is your only friend. Quickly fled the fervor from my dark and searching eyes. I learned to bow